it's me, Evie, and I am back with a Boxy Charm, and it's hot girl summer, and Boxy Charm is spicing things up. So this is our base box. It is 5 full-size items, and it is $25 a month. So let's just jump in and see how Boxy Charm has spiced things up. Here's the card. It's Dare to Dazzle. So we're going to be hashtagging that this month. The first product is an Opv Beauty, and it's an eyeshadow palette. It's very beautiful cover packaging. It's called Spotlight. It has a nice size mirror, and here are the colors. Now, these two colors are the colors that you're going to want to try. They're beautiful in person. They're called Deplug, this reddish one, and Hype, the blue one. I cannot wait for later this month to show you a tutorial on how to use those colors. So stay tuned for that. This palette, you can buy it for $40. Next product is a KVD Beauty. It's a Dazzle stick eyeshadow. Here we go. It's very cute packaging. Has some stars on it. Oh, let me just swatch it. And there you go. It's a beautiful shimmery gold color, and you can purchase that for $22. We have a Touch and Soul. It is a multi-face powder. So here's the packaging. This is a bronzer. It is a highlight. You can use it as a blush. This beautiful little case will be the perfect thing to tuck into your wallet, purse, bag, whatever, and take it with you during the summer. You can pick that up for $34. We have a product from Aceology. I love the packaging. I don't know what it is about packaging lately. It really means a lot to me when a product has a good package. This reminds me of one of my favorite shows. Anyway, so Aceology is an overnight lip mask, and I will not be trying it on camera for you, but I'll let you know how it smells. It actually smells really good, so I'm hopeful for this one. You can pick this product up for $19. The next product we have is from Browbar. It's from Reema. And here we go. It is a multi-ended brow highlight. And there's your colors. I don't know if you'll see that, but one is like a matte normal skin tone, and the other is sparkly and highlighter-ish. You can pick this product up for $16. So that is the end of this base box. Just a little information about the base box is you get 5 full-size products, and it's only $25 a month. You can do it monthly, or you can do it yearly. So stay tuned, because this month we have a little bit something special. You're going to be able to see the premium box and the luxe box. Check in the descriptions to find links to those. Remember, be your own beautiful. It's hot girl summer. Let's get out there and show the world what we have.